Here is a simple introduction to Facebook ads, and this video is mostly for beginners who are trying to find their way around, and they're overwhelmed by the pixels, they're overwhelmed by audiences, they're overwhelmed by budgets, and they're wondering where to start. So here's a video to walk you through it and to get the most of it. So, as you know, or as you may not know, there's a campaign, there's an ad set level, and there's the ads for the campaign. So let us start with creating a new ad. This is a new campaign. This is my dummy ads account, and I'm going to walk you through it. So the first thing you would do is come here to create. Now, this depends on what your agenda is. Do you want awareness so people know your brand? This is good for get it, for reach, for brand awareness, for video views, for location awareness. If you want traffic to your website, this is one. This is the objective we go with for link clicks, landing page views, Instagram profile visits, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and calls. For engagement, in terms of if you want people to get to message you via WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger, people to engage with your videos, to engage with your posts in terms of likes, conversions, calls. This campaign objective is for the leads. This for if you have a landing page and looking for leads, this works well for you for website and instant forms. Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp messages, conversions and calls. App promotions. This if you have an app you want to sell and get more installs and events. This is for sales for e-commerce websites, catalog sales, Messenger, and WhatsApp calls. Right, so let's create a traffic campaign. I want to lead people back to my website. So you can use the recommended settings. Personally, I prefer to use manual so that I can walk you through this and give you the right how I do it. Let's click on continue. So let's call this campaign the August campaign. Right, so buying type is auction. My campaign objective is traffic. Now I'm not going to use this, the budget campaign. This gives Facebook the permission to distribute your budget across different ad sets. If you want Facebook to choose for you which asset is giving you the best performance, I'm going to skip the A/B testing for now because that's a bit more complicated. The special ads category is for sensitive products like financial products and services, employment, housing, and social issues, elections as well. You do this because people have used this type of ads badly, and they've used the system to manipulate other people. Like you can imagine how somebody might refuse to show ads to a certain demographic, assuming they don't have money, which leads to racism and any negative connotation for this. So the categories you have the financial products, employment, housing, social issues, election, and stuff. So we're not doing any of that. So you're gonna name your ad set. So I would, since you're sending traffic to my website, I would choose this. This would be good for Instagram if you want to grow your Instagram page. Sorry, this one would be good for Instagram page. Send people to your Instagram to see if they can follow. The performance goal here, I would choose not number of clicks, but number of landing page views. You can choose your cost per result, but I'm going to leave that blank. Also, this we're not going to work with this yet because it's a bit more complicated. We'll look at that later. Then your budget, whatever you're comfortable with, this or more. Start date. I prefer having an end date so that I can always review what is happening. So I can choose a month. Yeah, which is fine with me. Yeah, 30 days. This option works well, especially if you know when people are browsing Facebook and you want the ads to be seen more at that time. It's Facebook and Instagram. You want to leverage the best time to show your ads to get the most results. So you can click on this. Audience control. This is where you come up with your audience and you choose your demographics, location. You can choose your location. Think about if you want your ad to be shown everywhere or just one place. I'll choose that one. I can create a new audience where I will, or a saved audience. I have a list of, nothing here. So let's create a new one. People who are interested in the age. Let's start with the age. I'm selling digital marketing services, so I'm looking for somebody who is more mature, who has a business. All genders is fine. Here's where I can put more detailed targeting, like I can click on digital marketing. People will interested in that. And then with this, I can use suggestions, social media marketing, which is good for me. Online advertising, good for me. Somebody who's into advertising. Yeah, that's good for now. You can narrow further by, you can choose the industry. Personally, let's go for people who are in the tourism space. So this means anybody who is in advertising, who's interested in advertising, but has a tourism business. So this will help me filter a lot to my people, to my target market. As you can see, my reach reduced from 70,000 to 50,000. This is ideal for me. This is what I want because this is the targets I'm looking for. Placement. Oh, this is an interesting one. Like for the longest time, I have avoided. For the longest time, I've avoided the audience network. I have this penchant to just know in the audience network. It's been on. So I've led a lot of money or I've lost a lot of money on it, so I normally choose avoid it. I'm being told it's better these days, but still, let's go. Now comes to the ad creation, so I can say homepage because I want people to come to my homepage. So here is where I will choose where I want the ads to show. I'm gonna click my yeah, there's my Facebook page with my Instagram account. I don't have a thread account. So here you can create an ad or where you manually upload images, or you can use a post from one of the content one of the posts I already have. So let's go to create an ad. choose a single image. Destination, here's where I will pick my website. So the display link would be no display link. So when they see my ad, they can choose. Can let them call me by adding my phone number, message me, or through WhatsApp, or create a contact form. But they can give me their details, but I'll keep it to phone call. Or yeah, so country code. And my number. I'll use this one here. Just in case you need to call me directly. Right. Pixel tracking, we'll do this later. So we set up the creatives. I can use a landing page as it is, or let's see if you can use an image ad. So Facebook has the option of going through my social media and picking an image, or I can manually add one. Let me see. Yeah, let's go with this one. This is fine. You can have different images for different sizes, for this, for that. You can pick one that fits perfectly for you. Yeah, you're right. This is just guess what you can use. Okay, I'll use ChatGTP. You can use ChatGTP to get the perfect description for this. Let me go there quickly. That will be my headline. My primary text will be this. For the tourism business. And the call to action would be let's use book now because I'm not for me. Now this is where AI plays with the images. I will choose this for animations. Click on done. So we're almost there. So the last thing we need to do is to publish. Well, we'll have to figure out some of these errors. Oh, right. So I have to fix the authenticate account. But yeah, basically that's what you do to run a Facebook ads campaign. I hope you've learned a thing or two. See you in the next one. Bye bye.